Subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get all notification.
Now we'll discuss about the next genetic disorder, which is thalassemia. Like another disorder that we earlier discussed, thalassemia is also an autosomal recessive disorder. So we can say that it's also an autosomal recessive disorder. And this disorder, this thalassemia, was discovered by the scientist named Poulet. Poulet discovered this disease and its autosomal recessive disorder. This thalassemia is again related with the hemoglobin. Like in the sickle cell anemia, we talked about that hemoglobin which is formed is the defective hemoglobin. वहां पे हीमोग्लोबिन की क्वालिटी में फर्क आया था, क्वालिटी चेंज हो गई थी। नॉर्मल हीमोग्लोबिन की जगह डिफेक्टिव हीमोग्लोबिन जो फॉर्मेशन हो रहा था उसे हमने नाम दिया सिकल सेल एनीमिया। But in this disease, here the quality is not get changed. Here the quantity of hemoglobin formation is get changed. यहाँ पे hemoglobin की quantity में changes आते हैं. That's why we can call it that is a quantitative disorder. It's a quantitative disorder. It's not qualitative. It's quantitative disorder if we compare it with the sickle cell anemia. Now, how this disorder appears or how it affects? This disorder appears in the children, appear in child children which are the means child of the unaffected heterozygous parents. जो unaffected heterozygous parents होते हैं उनकी चाइल्ड के अंदर ये डिजीज शो होती है। तो वी कैन से अपीयर इन चाइल्ड ऑफ अनअफेक्टेड heterozygous parent. The parents who are the heterozygous for this particular gene, they behave like a carrier. They transmit this disease to their offspring, to their child. So वहाँ पे ही ये disease अपना effect show करेगी। तो यहाँ पे हम heterozygous parent से ही मिल रही है। Now, what happens in this disease? अगर हम बात करते हैं कि यहाँ पे हो क्या रहा है? In this disease is related with the defect of the hemoglobin synthesis and यहाँ पे hemoglobin की जो chains है that alpha chain and beta chain इनकी synthesis में problem आती है। The quantity of the formation of these alpha and beta chain get changed due to the changes in or due to the mutation or deletion of gene controlling the formation of globin chain. Formation of globin chain. तो जो ग्लोबिन चेन होती है हीमोग्लोबिन की, उन हीमोग्लोबिन चेन के सिंथेसिस को कंट्रोल करने वाले जो जीन्स हैं, अगर उन जीन में कोई चेंजेस आ गए हैं बिकॉज ऑफ म्यूटेशन और बिकॉज ऑफ डिलीशन, देन दिस डिजीज हैपेंस. Globin chain. We know that hemoglobin has two chains. One is the alpha chain, another one is the beta chain. When the changes occur into the alpha chain, अगर alpha chain का synthesis यहाँ पे affect हो रहा है, then this type of thalassemia is known as alpha thalassemia. और type A thalassemia भी आपको कहीं पे नाम मिल सकता है। तो अगर हम thalassemia की types की बात करते हैं, it could be of two types of thalassemia. यहाँ पे हमने देखा है कि इस डिजीज के अंदर दिस थैलेसीमिया हैपेंस ड्यू टू म्यूटेशन और डिलीशन ऑफ जीन कंट्रोलिंग द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ग्लोबिन चेन. ग्लोबिन चेन के कंट्रोलिंग फॉर्मेशन को जो कंट्रोल करने वाले जीन्स हैं उनके अंदर डिफेक्ट आ रहा है, तब ये डिजीज होती है. तो ग्लोबिन चेन दो टाइप्स की है, अल्फा चेन एंड बीटा चेन. If the effect is coming into the alpha chain, then the thalassemia is known as alpha thalassemia. So here one type is alpha thalassemia. एक टाइप का जो थैलेसीमिया होगा उसे हम कहेंगे अल्फा थैलेसीमिया एंड अनदर वन विल बी द बीटा थैलेसीमिया. बीटा थैलेसीमिया reason is the same. If the alpha chain is get altered, then the thalassemia will be known as alpha thalassemia, and if the beta chain is get altered, then we call it beta thalassemia. Now let's discuss about these two types of thalassemia in more detail. Now, this alpha thalassemia is the thalassemia related with the defects in the synthesis of alpha globin or alpha chain. अगर अल्फा ग्लोबिन से रिलेटेड है, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर कॉलिंग अल्फा थैलेसीमिया. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाई दिस अल्फा थैलेसीमिया हैपेंस. This alpha globulin, the formation of this alpha globulin is controlled by the two genes which are present onto the chromosome number 16. तो यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे कि two genes हैं जो कि chromosome number 16 पे present है. The genes are the HBA1 and HBA2. These are the two genes which are present onto the chromosome number 16. They are present on chromosome number 16, and these two genes are present with the 4 alleles. इनके 4 alleles present होंगे, and these genes are responsible for the controlling of the formation of alpha globulin. तो alpha globulin का जो synthesis हो रहा है वो इन genes के अंदर है, या अगर इन genes में changes आ जाते हैं, then this thalassemia is known as alpha thalassemia. Here 4 alleles are present. Suppose one allele get affected. Out of these 4, one allele is get affected. Then the person is known as silent carrier, silent person. वहाँ पे कोई effect नहीं होगा. But if 2 alleles get affected, then the person is known as thalassemia minor. तो उस केस में हम word use करेंगे for this type of thalassemia is thalassemia minor. So alpha thalassemia is also known as thalassemia minor. Whereas into the beta thalassemia, this thalassemia is known as thalassemia major. Thalassemia major, where the synthesis of beta globin get decreased. Synthesis of beta globin get decreased. This synthesis of beta globin is controlled by the genes. One is by a single gene. एक single gene से control होता है, that gene is HBB. This gene is controlling the formation of beta globin, and this gene is present onto the chromosome number 11. These genes are present on chromosome number 11, and if these genes are present in 2 alleles form, यहाँ पे इस एक gene के 2 alleles present होंगे, and when the homozygous conditions arises for this genes, then this disease happens, and this thalassemia, this beta thalassemia is known as thalassemia major. इसे हम बोलेंगे thalassemia major. And this thalassemia major happens when the person is homozygous. Whereas it can be occurs when the person is heterozygous. ये heterozygous condition may be होगी, and it happens only when the person is homozygous. This thalassemia major is also known as Cool's anemia, on the name of the scientist who discovered this thalassemia, this disease. It is known as Cool's thalassemia. So another one that we use is Cool's anemia. So this is about this thalassemia, which has 2 types, alpha thalassemia and beta thalassemia. In some cases you will find another delta thalassemia also, but the major types are these 2, alpha and beta thalassemia. And this thalassemia disease is related with the quantitative effects of the hemoglobin synthesis, where the synthesis of the alpha or beta globulin is get affected. So this is about this disease, that is thalassemia.